Okay, here we have a computer, and we accidentally spilled some water on it, and now the keyboard is not working. It's a Dell computer. Let's see, where does it say Dell? Yeah, it is. It's not happy. One of the USB ports is not working right either. So maybe we'll take it apart and see if we can fix it. Okay, it looks like kind of pried this thing apart on the side, and looks like this plastic around the keyboard can be pried up and comes out. Be careful not to break it, I guess. Oh, look at that, it's coming out across the top. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, so maybe, not sure, maybe I didn't have to take all the stuff apart on the bottom. Okay. Ooh, look at this. There's a bunch of screws in there and a bunch of dirt and junk. Maybe we'll take this guy apart and try to clean it. Okay. So we got our jeweler's Phillips screwdriver here, and looks like there's several screws possibly hold the keyboard down. Well, I guess we'll try taking these out and see if the keyboard comes up. See if we can try to fix it. This is a real problem, not having a working keyboard on the computer. Maybe clean out some of this junk stuff. Looks like someone's been eating crackers over top of it or something. Okay. There we go. And I think that might be it. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's another screw over here. This whole keyboard comes up, including the number pad. And so, okay, there we go. And there's a ribbon cable underneath of it. And usually you have to grab these things and flip them up, and then they come out like that. Okay, so there's the back of the keyboard, and I think I'm gonna try to see if I can clean this up and maybe get the water out of it or something and try to fix that and see if we can do something to make this stupid thing work again. There we go. The keyboard and the inside of the computer. Okay, so anyway, we ordered a new keyboard for our laptop computer here, and it finally came. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Hopefully, made it through the mail okay. Okay, that looks very, very similar to the old one. Look at that. Okay, so let's take a look down here. Let's try to stick this into the computer and see how that works. Okay, so again, here is our little cable here, and it goes into this guy down here. Let's take a closer look at that. We got to get that guy fastened in down there. So here's where our cable connects into. We want to be careful with this thing because they're delicate. Slide this guy into there like that, and then flip this part down, and that fastens it in there. And then we will situate this keyboard. There's like a bunch of tabs in the top up here, along the top, that this thing has to fit into. See, I'll pull that back out for a second. See those tabs right there? Those got to go down inside, and we'll situate it. Looks like the keyboard got a little bit bent as it was shipped. Kind of tilt it up and slide it into those tabs and back down, and let's try out our new keyboard. Okay, here we have WordPad up, and now we're typing on the keyboard, and it looks like it is working. Here we're typing A. Okay, and it looks like everything's working okay. Brand new keyboard seems to be working great. So now there's a bunch of little screw holes in the bottom here, in the front, that hold this thing down. You kind of got to push it into. So push this side down also. So let me fasten those screws in, and then there's some trim that goes around the outside, and I think we'll be finished here fixing the keyboard. Okay, so we have our tiny little screw and our tiny little screwdriver, and let's zoom in down here, because here's where the tiny little screws go, is into these little tabs that hold this thing down, like so. And we got a bunch of them along here, one over here and a couple more here. And so let's put the rest of those screws in, and then we'll put the trim on. Okay, so I finished putting all the screws in. There. Oh no, there's not one there, there's one there. And here's our plastic trim. I just kind of popped that off before, so it goes around the keyboard to make it look nice. You can just snap that back down inside. Just go all the way around, and it looks like our laptop is going to be as good as new. Anyway, I guess we're all set here. We've been able to fix the computer by changing its keyboard, and this is Dr. Janes, and thanks for watching.